Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Microsoft Excel for business analytics, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open Microsoft Excel on your computer. Create a new workbook or open an existing one. Familiarize yourself with the ribbon at the top of the screen. Navigate to the Data tab. Click on Get Data in the Get and Transform Data section. Select the source you want to import data from. For example, choose from File if you're importing a CSV or Excel file. Follow the prompts to locate and select your file. Once the file is loaded, you'll see a preview of the data. Click Load to import the data into Excel. After the data is loaded, you may want to organize it. Use the Sort and Filter feature found in the Data tab. Highlight the headers of your dataset. Click on Sort A to Z or Sort Z to it to arrange your data. To create visualizations, navigate to the Insert tab. Select the chart type that best represents your data. For example, choose Column for comparing values. Once you select a chart type, Excel will prompt you to choose the data range. Highlight the relevant data and click OK. Adjust the chart design using the chart tools that appear in the ribbon. Explore options to customize colors, labels, and backgrounds. Add any necessary formulas to analyze your data. Use functions like SUM, average, or more advanced formulas as needed. Keep your data organized by using tables. Highlight your data range and click Format as Table in the Home tab. Follow the prompts to create a structured table format. To enhance your analysis, consider using pivot tables. Navigate back to the Insert tab and select Pivot Table. Choose the data you want to analyze and where to place the pivot table. Arrange fields in the pivot table to extract meaningful insights. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.